Well, 2020 is coming to an end, as we know it, sooner than before. So I wanted to do this quick video showing and sharing with you some of my top trends, beauty trends of course, from 2020. The first one we're gonna start off with is the bushy brow, because let me tell you, this was a trend and I was rocking it basically all 2020. So brow gel, and I'm just gonna put the brow gel on, and usually I leave my brows just like this because I've been letting them grow out thick 2020. I've been letting them grow out all year, so I may just leave them just like this, and you can either decide to fill them in or not. Another trend that I was loving this year was the blush, like the pink blush, intense blush. I was loving blush more than I was loving contour. So these trends are trends that I've been doing that I like, as well as trends that I've just seen all over social media that I don't think plan on going anywhere. But you want to get a pink blush. I'm using this palette from Morphe, and I'm taking this pink here, and I'm just gonna go heavy on the blush. Heavy, like, ooh, this. And the thing about blush is that blush is usually the first thing to leave the face when you're doing it, but this look, fire. Okay, I was loving the blush. And then you want to take a little bit on your nose as well to give that like pouty look. I'm going through these trends mighty fast. You already know what to do. Leave a comment down below and let me know which of these trends you enjoyed this year as well. So of course we gotta just make sure it's blended out despite the trends. Another trend, that's why I came on here half face, because I plan on doing all of these trends, not all of them but most of them, in the videos to show you, so that it's like more interactive. And for the ones that I'm not doing on myself, I will be inserting pictures. The neon eyeshadow, there's two neon. Okay, so I was struggling because I couldn't decide if I wanted to do the neon liner, the neon on the inner corner, or do like the fox eye liner. I think I'm gonna combine the neon liner and the fox eye liner together. The neon liner was a trend, and so we're gonna use this NYX Vivid Brights. And then the other trend here was the fox eye. So this was creating just like a lifted eye effect. So the two trends I'm going to be combining is the Vivid liner and the fox eye. So for the fox eye, you want to make it to where it's as elevated as possible, like that, to give like the snatch. Can y'all see that? I'm going to make sure I zoom in so y'all can actually see. So you want this to be snatched up and elongated. And then you just want to drag it in towards the center of the eye. Now, you can decide to continue to go towards the corner or leave it as so. But I think I'm gonna leave it as so and take some black liner to do the inner corner. So the other part of the fox eye is creating like this effect on the inner corner. I'm gonna be using this NYX liquid liner and just creating this little like fox eye in the corner, elongating it out. Mind you, this was a trend I've been wanting to try, but I haven't done yet. So this is my first time, so bear with me. Like so. Isn't that cute? Yes. Now I can see why this was a trend all of 2020. I know I look a little crazy because I got one eye done, one not, no lashes, a full face. It's all good. So now that we got that trend out the way, let's go ahead and talk about another trend. So another trend, I have a video on this, and it's a lot of videos. Since this was a year of wearing masks, then of course you had to have your mask proof makeup. So be sure to check out this video here showing you how to keep your makeup from transferring onto your mask. This is a trend, but it's also going to be something that I think continues as long as we are wearing a mask. The next one is at-home makeup routines. This year I saw so many people, including myself, host online makeup classes so that people knew how to do their makeup at home, because not everyone was getting their makeup done by professional artists, or you know, allowing people to do their makeup because of the precautions, which I totally get. So this year the trend was, okay, let me host this online makeup class even more than before. Another one that goes hand in hand with this was Zoom makeup. I personally did not create a video on Zoom makeup, but I'm sure you've seen it on TikTok, on Google, everywhere, because people are literally wearing sweats and then dressing up the top part without just throwing a little mascara, lip, foundation, whatever to look decent on Zoom, seeing that most people were probably still half asleep when they hopped on that Zoom call. The next theme is the Euphoria themed makeup. I had so much fun when I created my Euphoria themed makeup, but that is not the only one. That trend is going to forever continue because it's a vibe, it's a look. Crystals, I even still have my full set of, I don't know what you want to call them, like jewels here that I plan to create plenty more looks with. And I love the people who took it to the next level and just went beyond the face and decided to do the baby hairs and place the diamonds in and out. It was a vibe. So I have a list here and I just want to make sure I hit them all. So those were the top 2020 makeup trends that I enjoyed seeing all around Instagram, TikTok, not so much Facebook, but YouTube. Those were all the trends that I enjoyed, and I know that will continue to stay around in 2021 because some of those things are not changing. For example, Zoom is not changing. People are continuing to do Zoom. And then there's also going to be, people are just trying to create and make their way at home, somehow building a business. So that might consist of more makeup artists coming out of the, not out of the loop, but stepping out of their comfort zone and creating those online courses. Well, I hope you enjoyed this straight to the point, quick, trendy makeup look video. This was all about the beauty trends of 2020 and what I saw and what I think will continue to appear in 2021 as some of these reasons for these trends are not changing. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Be sure to check out these two videos here, makeup looks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what beauty trends you saw this year that you will be continuing. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.